Malvia. Welcome to another blog from Automation Minders. Today we are going to cover one of the good tool which is related to UI actions recorder. Don't go with the name. Basically, this is similar to Selenium ID, which we were using few years back. Right now they have decommissioned Selenium ID, but that tool was very useful for us because whatever user is going to do actions, it will get record step by step, and user do not need to write anything. It will automatically capture end-to-end process, the manual process. So similar to that, this tool is there. So without wasting a single minute, let me give you the demo on that tool. So this tool is similar to this is a Chrome extension. I will give you end-to-end background of this, how we have created this tool, and what all architecture is there. But let me give you a walkthrough on this tool. So this is a tool, and here you can see there are three major buttons. One is record, play, and export. So what is record? As soon as user hit on record, it will start recording. You can see recorded recording icon is enabled, and this is signal where you can see this is something is recording. So whenever I'm hovering on any element, it will highlight in the red box, and as soon as I click, it get stored. Whatever I'm doing, it is getting stored. Okay, in terms of web element addresses. So here also it is getting stored wherever I'm clicking here. So all these actions will be getting recorded until this recording is enabled. Okay, so I can see, and as soon as I click on stop, it is stopped, and whatever all manual things I have done, right, it got stored in terms of these data. So now second button is about play. So here we can play whatever we did. So there are four ways to play that. One is slow, very slow, the process replay of that, normal, fast, and turbo. Let me click on turbo and hit on play. So you can see now we were on the previously Google, then clicked on store, then we clicked several tabs here, earbuds, watches, tracker. Okay, what are all things we have done, right? So it replayed that thing for us. Okay, so that is done now, and this is something, right, user, it directly capture the user action. Okay, this is a third button which we can see clear what all we did, right? So we wanted to clear that particular log, so we can get it clear. So let me give you the thorough demo of that. So let me come on the Google page. Now I wanted to record, so I played on record button, so it will automatically store what is the URL present right now. So let me give so okay, it got recorded and play both. Wait a minute, let me stop completely. Okay, so clear. Okay, now there is nothing. Now I'm going to hit on record. Okay, so now it is recording. So let me start from here. I'm just entering Google page. Now I'm just typing here testing methodologies. Okay, so I'm hitting on enter now. So as soon as I hit on enter, it will come on this page. Now you can see their data is coming here. I wanted to click on listen. So as soon as I click on listen,
testing methodologies are systematic approaches used to ensure a software product meets its requirements.
So it will click on pause. You can see wherever my cursor is going, right? So this highlighter is coming behind me. I wanted to click on image, so it will click on image. I wanted to go back to all, it will go on, go back to all. I wanted to click on more, it will open this one. I'm not going to go anywhere. I just wanted to show the small demo. So let me hit on stop button. So see, this is action we have done right now. So let me hit on turbo and play. So now you can see, after that we entered Google page. Now we entered testing something we entered, right? So testing methodologies, so it entered here. Then after some time it will come, yeah, after that pause. So it is very fast, so because we selected the turbo options, all images, then again go back to all, after that we hit on more button. Okay, so all these things will come. So I think it was very quick, so that's why we are unable to see that one, but everything got captured here. Okay, now one of the best feature of this tool you will see here is called export. Export means what? See, whatever actions I created there, right, manually, it got stored, and apart from that, it also create a script for us. either in terms of Python with Selenium or Java with Selenium. So let's say this is Java with Selenium. You can see the script is here. Let me copy this one, Control C, Control R, and let me open my IntelliJ. Okay, just to show that. So let me create a Java file or text file just for you. I'm just creating a file here. Okay, that's fine. So this is you can see your code is here. Hope this is visible for you. So you can see so initially this is a Chrome driver. It got set properties it done. Okay, and after that it initiate JavaScript executor, whatever all things are required for web driver, right? It all initializes automatically. I did not written a single code there, but it this tool done for me. Okay, this is a google.com which we entered. After that we click on that text box. This is a click text box web address. Okay, after that we entered a test methodologies. Let me show you where is that. So it will come somewhere here. Okay, so you can see testing methodologies, we corrected some my spelling as well. So whatever I did right, the same thing it had come here, right? So you can see this was the last corrected word was written by me. After that I hit it on enter, right? So it got clicked. Okay, so everything got captured here, everything. So when you do copy from here to here, right, and whatever framework you created, only you need to do the copy paste. You can directly use this particular file on your framework. So that means lot of efforts it will get reduced. No need to inspect element, no need to do remember this syntax and all. This tool will do for you. Similarly, same thing you can get it in Python. Let me do it here. So you can see this is Python code. Okay, if your framework is made on Python, so you can directly use this one. Okay, so hope this tool will help you. You can go to my repository. You can pull from there. So this is my repository, and the repository name is UI actions recorder. I will share the link below in this particular comment box. What is this GitHub URL and the repository information. So here also you can see that all explanations are very clearly what this tool is about, what it will do for you, how you can install it. Okay, I will show you this installation process. This is very easy. Okay, those who are not in automation, for them how they can use this, I will show you step by step. Okay, so what are all actions it will get record, what are limitations are there, all things I have mentioned clearly here. Okay, so if you want to export it into Selenium or Python script, how you can do that. Okay, so all those steps are here. And if you are interested in development, you can go with these files, right? Manifest.json. You can come here, you can see this metadata. Okay, popup and content.js. All these things you can use on your local machine and you can update it. Okay, if you have any recommendation, feel free to ping back to me over YouTube video or on this GitHub comment as well. That is not a problem. I will take those, I will consider those things, because I am very keen listener and viewer. Whatever comment we are commenting, right, I always go with those things. So let me give you a walkthrough on this particular code first of all. Okay, so as you can see from this readme. Okay, so this tool is one of the it built on a JavaScript part. Basically when we see any Chrome browser or any browser, right, the native language for that is JavaScript. So this particular plugin is also built on .js. You can see .js, everything is in .js. Okay, .js is JavaScript extension. So at very high level, I will give you this one. So basically the extension has popup interface, where we can see, right, this is popup is there. So popup interface is there. So we have 4 main controls, as I mentioned: record, play, export and clear. Okay, and I already have mentioned, again I'm explaining this. Record means it start captured user interaction on the current tab or our subsequent tabs as well. Play will help you to replay the last recorded session. Similarly, exports generate Selenium code either in terms of Python with Python with Selenium or Java with Selenium. And clear will wipe whatever things you have done, right, captured. It will clear everything. Okay, so internally if we go back to this tool, let me go back here. Directly I'm showing it from this GitHub. So first thing is popup.js. Okay, so if you see this code, right, so popup.js, so basically this handles the UI and interactions, whatever user is doing the interaction, right, it handles those things. Okay, another thing is background.js. Basically it manages the state, the communication between the scripts and the screenshot, all these things it will manage. Next is content.js. Basically content.js means basically it injects into web pages to capture DOM interaction. So basically this is a main part of our script. So it will interact with the DOM is what, document object model. And the last thing, which is most important here, which will, it's a kind of controller or manager for us. So it defines a permission and extension metadata, all these things will take care here. Okay, in this meta manifest.json. So if you want willing to create similar tool, you can directly pull my code, and you can go and you can work on this code, and you can create your own plugins as well. Or if you want to use this plugin, if you have any suggestion, feel free to ping back to me. I will add on these whatever suggestions you are giving. So so this is a high level view how I have created, and the code is with you right now. You can go with this text whatever I have used. Basically, as I mentioned, this particular tool worked on HTML plus CSS. So JavaScript, I have used vanilla version for scripting logic, and I also have used Chrome extensions APIs like Chrome.runtime, Chrome.tabs, Chrome.storage, and Chrome.scripting as well. So basically, and also I forget one thing, for visual indicator component with live DOM injections we have used from here. Okay, so basically, in conclusion, if you see, this tool is a kind of extension which will help you to do the automation with no code. Basically no code, no need to write any code. Okay, and you can directly use what as is, directly inject in your browser, and you can use it. So now let me show you how to use this one. Let me remove this one first of all. Okay, because this I already have done, and let me come back to some Google page now. So first, what you need to do, you need to download this as an extension. What you can do, directly you can go here. Okay, now there are three dots, right, not here, here. So what you need to do, you need to come here in this repository. After that, what you need to do, this is a recorder. Okay, hit on this recorder. Now this is a let me show you that one. Direct you can clone as well, but let me check where it is that. Great. So let me come back to my repository. Okay, now you can see this is a UI recorder action is there. So now you can directly clone it. Okay, otherwise you can come here, you can directly download as a zip. Okay, if you do not want to write anything, either you can clone or either you can zip. Okay, as soon as you can download, you can see this data will be here. So wherever you store this particular folder, right, what you need to do, let me show you. So this folder is here right now with me in my, let's say, let me copy and put it in desktop. Okay, so on desktop it is recorder, name as recorder. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to open my Chrome extension. Then you need to click on this three dots. Then you need to go to extensions, manage extensions. After that, there are three buttons. First option is load unpacked. Hit on here. Desktop we have this recorder. Only you need to select this folder, not go in, do not go inside. Hit on this main folder recorder, select it. As soon as you hit on that, right, it will come under your load package. So there is one thing, so this is toggle button. Always make sure that this is you enabled it to on toggle. After that, if you want to see details, you can see details here. Okay, and if you want to remove, you can remove from here. As soon as you hit here, it will remove it. Okay, now this is just for your just for the heads up, this is in beta version. Okay, I'm not giving you guarantee that this will work, this will thoroughly help you, but with my best testing experience, this is working fine. But feel free to give your feedback. Okay, so there is an extension here, you need to pin it. If you don't want to pin it, that's fine, but I'm wanted to pin it here. This is a icon of that, okay, and the name of this plugin is UI action recorder. So now this plugin is with you, now you are good to go. So what you need to do, just hit on this will get open. Let me give you one test. So before capturing any event, what we need to do, we need to hit here action. As soon as this is enabled, right, recording, we are good to go. So let me do this. I just wanted to go to store. I wanted to see what all products are there in Google store. Okay, I can see this. So I just wanted to see the accessories part. It will open up the accessories. Now I wanted to hit on filter, it will hit on filter, or let me choose pixel, so it will come pixel. Now I wanted to select other colors, so it will do that. And um, I just wanted to hit here plus. I just wanted to see the headphones, it will come the headphones. I want pink color, the pink color is there. So that's all I just wanted to do for the demo. Stop. See, it is here. And now I wanted to run fast, so it will, as soon as I click on play, it will hit on play and all these systems will get replayed. Okay, now hope you got it right, the way how I'm. Let me stop it, I don't want it to do that. So clear, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So this is just a sweet demo for this short and simple demo for my tool which I created. This is my branding. Okay, you can remove the branding if you wanted to use for some other step. It's not logged actually. Hope this is working for you. And there is one more thing I just wanted to tell you. If you go to if you go to this particular extension, right, you will see a lot of things are happening. Okay, so just feel free to drop me message what are all things you are finding here. That will help me to more development on this. Thank you so much for listening me. Have a nice day. Bye.